Vacation Good Fortune. Whew. Reached out to my Pokemon NOLA people. Facebook page. Boom. Yeah. You gonna check out the trains? We found our baby some trains. Yay. I saw Percy. They said that there was a layout in the botanical garden. So yay! Awesome! Always want to find some green NOLAs.
Look! The little steam engine's in the shed right there. See it? Yeah. Dad, see the steam engine? It's in the shed.
Dumping that through the...
My baby in his
I was like, oh my god.
place of joy. Oh, here he goes, here he goes.
Percy,
We're getting it. We're getting it. This is an awesome train layout, isn't it, Taylor? Look at this. What do we got here? We got... What all have you seen, man? Get it, boo. In his happy place.
I'm coming.
The yellow one or the white one?
The red and black train.
The red and black? Oh, that one's about to do something here in just a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. It's gonna be taken off? Oh.
Mommy.
I'm missing.
Mom,
So follow it?
yeah.
Okay. I'm following.
Bye. Bye, train. Mom. What's it? See, and now it's going backwards now.
Oh, so now it's in its neutral spot and then it's gonna be taken off in a minute?
Yeah,
In a second?
yeah. Like, so it was gonna be hung up in a minute. Like, so,
And then does it just go on the same track?
yes. See, so look.
I think this sign is pretty cool.
Mom. So it's off. Why?
You make a better door than a window.
Look, it's gonna be off in a minute. It's gonna be off in a minute, Mom.
How long must I wait? How long must I wait, Taylor? Where are we?
Okay.
Where are we?
Trains.
At the trains? What city?
Look. Goes, Mom.
Okay. Am I still recording?
Yes.
Okay.
Look. Look. Are you seeing it? Look.
I see it. I seen it.
Taylor.
We just had a hasty retreat to do other things.
Same thing.
Teen angst. Boy wanted to stay at the trains. The giant of the botanical garden. And its mini-me.
Go over there.
I'm gonna record his dance party. Oh yes.
I get to be in the video.
I'm waiting for you to battle him off. Yeah, get it. Except for now. In the middle of the park. Get it, buddy.
Oh shit.
Okay, here it is. Gotta get a close video here. Close video, he said. How is that?
And then it goes, and then it goes.
And then here's Percy. Hi, Mr. Percy. It's Lecky.